Hello, welcome to Radio King. Here's another fresh installation of 9-inch radio for the Nissan Qashqai. So you got 9-inch radio with all the features. It's the 8-course CPU radio. It has Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and all the main features as Google Maps. You probably need to upgrade this one. Then you can connect your phone with the Bluetooth, play music from the Bluetooth. You also get external microphone for the best phone quality. Then you have all the Irish stations. You can save them with the names, and if you have steering controls it will work. You can switch the stations, change the volume. What else you got? Probably it's a fully functional Android with all the features over here, so you can install any app from the Play Store you like. You can play music from USBs as well. You got 2 USBs over there. Then what else? You can watch YouTube or any alternative to use a YouTube, like a new pipe, probably YouTube with no ads, even better. Then what else we got? The Google Chrome. You can browse anything to do search. That's our company, Radio King. So here's Android Auto, and it works wirelessly with my phone, with which one I'm making the video at the moment. And it's like my phone on the radio screen, with most of the functions from my phone that are supported for driving, like my phone with my favorites, with my recent calls, my Google Maps, my audiobooks, some of the other apps. The Google can read your messages from WhatsApp. You can use Waze as well, very popular navigation system, Viber, Telegram, whatever you want, everything is over here. And it's probably the same as Apple CarPlay, which one is supported by all our radios and works wirelessly as well. Thank you.